Double Social Security payment in June 2023. Who will receive them, amounts and payment dates? SSA will send a double Social Security payment to certain beneficiaries in June. We explain who will receive 2 checks and when. Each month, the Social Security Administration, SSA, sends Social Security checks and makes payments for Supplemental Security Income, SSI, in addition to distributing disability and survivor benefits. Welcome to Updates Area Channel. The SSA is preparing to send out June benefits, and certain beneficiaries will receive a double payment next month. Here's who's eligible, the amounts, payment dates, and why sometimes 2 payments are made. Double Social Security payment in June. Supplemental Security Income, SSI, recipients will receive 2 payments in June. This is just a feature of the distribution schedule, which leaves beneficiaries reciting 2 checks some months, followed by a month with no check. SSI payments are scheduled to be sent out on the first day of each month. In case the first day of the month falls on a weekend, the payment is sent ahead of the previous month. To be specific, if the first day falls on a Saturday or Sunday, the payment for that month is sent on the Friday before the previous month. This is the situation in June, which is why some will receive 2 checks. SSI amounts. Average Supplemental Security Income, SSI payments are around $650. The maximum benefit is $914 per month for an individual and $1,371 for a married couple, where both spouses are eligible for the program. Double Supplemental Security Income, SSI payment in June. June's SSI payment will be issued on the first day of the month, and an additional payment will be sent out on June 30th, intended for July's payment. This second payment is scheduled for the last Friday of June, as the first day of July falls on a Saturday. As a result, SSI recipients can expect 2 payments in June, but none in July. This pattern will continue in September and December of 2023. Stimulus payments. Are teachers getting a new stimulus payment in Texas? Are teachers getting a new stimulus check in Texas? Although the stimulus funds have been exhausted in many states, there are still some states where distribution has taken longer, and stimulus payments will continue into 2023. For instance, the Texas state government has announced its intention to offer certain teachers incentives to return to the classroom, including pay increases ranging from 2 to 4%, a $500 bonus, and a $2,000 stimulus payment. Reports indicate that Texas plans to issue up to $2 trillion in stimulus payments to assist struggling businesses and individuals who have been adversely affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, particularly in terms of unemployment. Stimulus updates 2023. Look out for checks and payments in May, if you live in these states. Federal stimulus checks sent out during the COVID-19 pandemic are a distant memory for most Americans. At the state level, however, payments are still being distributed for everything from disaster relief to surplus tax refunds. California stimulus payments between $200 and $1,050 are available to residents who filed state tax returns by October 15, 2021, and lived in California full-time for a minimum of 6 months in 2020. Those who qualify should receive payments during the first half of 2023. Georgia. You might be eligible for the 2022 surplus tax refund if you met the following criteria. According to the Georgia Department of Revenue, filed your individual income tax return for tax year 2021 and tax year 2022 by the April 18, 2023 deadline, or by October 16, 2023, if an extension was granted. Had a tax liability for tax year 2021. Are a Georgia resident, part-year resident, or non-resident Maine residents, are eligible for winter energy relief payments of $450 for individuals and $900 for married couples. A notice issued by the Office of Maine Governor Janet Mills said all payments were expected to be mailed by March 31, 2023. New Jersey. About 2 million New Jersey households qualified for property tax rebates under the Anchor Tax Relief Program. Payments of up to $1,500 were scheduled to be sent out no later than May 2023. For more information, check the state's Division of Taxation website or call 888-238-1233. New Mexico sent out 2 rounds of relief rebates to all taxpayers during summer 2022. First round payments totaled $250 to $500, depending on your filing status. Second round payments were $500 to $1,000. The state also has rebates planned for 2023. As long as you file a 2021 New Mexico state tax return by May 31, 2023, and remain unclaimed as a dependent on someone else's return, you might be eligible for the first stimulus payment. New York homeowners in New York State are eligible for up to $1,050 in property tax rebates as part of a statewide stimulus program, while New York City households get an average of $425.